Hi, and welcome to another installment of Math Basics, Mr. Besh. Today what we're going to do is we're going to identify a proportional relationship from a series of graphs. Now this is an example of a PA Course 7 PSSA type question here, where you have four graphs and the question's asking which graph shows a proportional relationship, and then with the criteria of a unit rate of 3/2. Now, the first thing you need to consider is all proportional relationships go through the origin, and the origin is the point 0, 0. Now, all four of my graphs are using quadrant number 1 on the coordinate plane, and the origin is here in each one of these guys. So now, right away, we can eliminate two of our choices because two of them do not go through 0, 0. You can clearly see that graph A starts on the y-axis here at 1, and the same thing for graph C. Okay, so now we got to identify this unit rate. Now, unit rate is another term for the slope of a line. Sometimes it's a whole number and sometimes it's a fraction. If it is a whole number, just simply make it a fraction by putting it over 1. Now, what it basically means is this. The top value of your unit rate, in this case, is 3, and that is your y value. If you notice in your graph, you have two number lines. You have a y number line that goes up and down, and you have an x number line that goes left and right. These are referred to as axes in your coordinate plane. And now, the bottom value that you have is your x value, and as you can see here from my example problem, it's a 2. Now, what this basically means is if you start at the origin on your graph, 0, 0, all right, if you go up 3 units, which is the top number, the y value, and I go up 3 right to there, and then you go over to the right 2 units, I go right to there, you will be a point on the line. The key to this is that slope means this is consistent. Since all lines are straight, this will happen. If I keep repeating this pattern, I will keep getting a point on the line, like I showed you. So if I were to just go where I was at right there, and I would have got 3 more, and over 2 more, I'm on the line again. Up 3 more, over 2 more, I'd still be on that line. So now that is what the slope, and the slope also is defined as like the steepness of a line. So now unit rate, again, is another term for slope. If I look down here at the bottom, as I start at 0 here, to get on my line, I'd have to go up 2 and over 3. So now the unit rate would not be 3/2, it would be 2/3. So as a result, I can eliminate choice D from my selection. And that's as basic as that is. And that's that. I hope you found this video both helpful and informative.